My name is Ben, and this is Adventure Theory. On today's adventure, we're gonna go see the Little Grand Canyon. It's a section of the San Rafael Swell, right in the middle of Utah, that looks like a mini version of the Grand Canyon. And there is some absolutely amazing dispersed camping in the area, as well as an unknown fossil bed that we just stumbled across. Check this out. While searching for a campsite out here by the Little Grand Canyon, we took this little offshoot road, and it's not a road because it's not on a map, it's not on GPS, it's just tracks through the desert, heavily used, but hairy. I don't recommend it. And we have reached the end of this road. It's about 5 miles off of the main road, and I think we found a good camp. We are off the map. This is BLM land. And check out what we found, the end of our road. Maybe later on we'll take a trip down there and peek over that edge. This is nice. Okay, so as promised earlier, we're gonna hike down to this cliff edge to look over the edge of this canyon because it looks amazing. But on the hike down, we found what appears to be a fossil bed. You tell me what you think these are. So it turns out the entire top of this canyon, the entire rim, is a giant fossil bed. I mean, these are clams, and it's just stacks and stacks and just giant rocks covered in what clearly are shells. So it is amazing to think that where we're sitting right now, millions of years ago, was a seabed. This is a really fascinating area, and it just gets more and more interesting the more I look around. Probably one of my favorite campsites ever. This is the cliff overhang. This is that point that we were looking at from up top. And it's beautiful. So we have made camp at a pretty fantastic campsite. It was a long ways getting here and it got weird a few times, but it's time to celebrate something I've been working on for a little over a year now. I've been trying to get to this worm for quite a while. As you can see, the worm is almost there. And the goal for tonight is to eat the worm. Here's to modest successes. Yep. I just wish you could smell this garlicky, amazing sauceness on these potatoes and this steak. This is an Argentinian way of eating, camping. This is Emmanuel. And he is an excellent cook.
It's my pleasure.
Oh my gosh. If you ever get a chance to go camping with an Argentine, do it. Now that was a really fun experience. If you have an idea for an adventure that we should go on, please put it in the comments section. And if you're looking for some more adventure ideas, you can click one of these links and go to the page, because there's literally hundreds of other adventures going on there, and I hope to see you next time.